Understanding Cast Iron Skillet, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to delve into a common phrase in English, cast iron skillet. This is a term often used in cooking contexts, but it can be a bit confusing if English isn't your first language. Stay with us to uncover its meaning and usage. Let's start by breaking down the phrase, cast iron skillet, into two parts, cast iron and skillet. Cast iron is a type of metal made by melting iron and pouring it into a mold. This process is known as casting, hence the name cast iron. Cast iron is known for its durability and excellent heat retention. A skillet, on the other hand, is a type of frying pan used for cooking. Skillets typically have sloped sides and are used for frying, searing, and browning foods. Now, let's explore what makes a cast iron skillet unique. 1. Durability. Cast iron skillets are very durable and can last for decades if properly maintained. 2. Heat retention. They are excellent at retaining heat, making them ideal for cooking at high temperatures. 3. Versatility. These skillets can be used on the stove, in the oven, and even over an open flame. 4. Seasoning. A key feature of cast iron skillets is the seasoning layer, a buildup of oils and fats that create a natural, non-stick surface. Maintaining a cast iron skillet is crucial for its longevity. Here are some key points. Cleaning. Avoid using soap and don't soak in water. Instead, clean with hot water and a stiff brush. Seasoning. Regularly season your skillet by coating it with a thin layer of oil and heating it. Rust prevention. Keep it dry to prevent rusting. If it does rust, it can be restored with a little effort. We hope this video has helped clarify what a cast iron skillet is and why it's such a valued tool in kitchens around the world. Remember, it's not just a cooking utensil, it's a piece of culinary heritage. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more English learning content. Happy cooking and language learning!